On today's Subaru news, Subaru USA unveils new pictures of the upcoming Subaru Solterra EV. Subaru of Canada blunders the release of the new Forester Wilderness, and an update to the release of the new 2022 WRX. So Subaru has pushed back the 2022 WRX release date due to the fact that the New York Auto Show was canceled. They planned to release this back in August, but now have changed the date till September the 10th. There's currently a countdown on their website to this new launch. Subaru has released a teaser trailer, which we'll play here now. We see an orange WRX speeding around through a desert or a dried out lake bed. Kicking up lots of dust, covering a lot of the car, but we do see that there are plastic overmold fenders, similar to how Crosstrek has on the car. We see quad exhaust tips. We also, in another teaser, see there is a manual transmission, so they haven't gone all CVT or to a dual clutch setup. There is still a stick option available on the new car. Still no knowledge on what the drivetrain is going to be. Still no specifications for horsepower, torque, and other metrics, but we only have a few more days till the unveiling on September the 10th, so keep an eye out for that. Moving on to the 2023 Subaru Solterra EV. Subaru released these pictures this week on Instagram, showing more of the Solterra. The previous picture released was it draped in shadow with just the emblem shown, but now we can see more of the shape of the car. We can see the headlights, we can see the back end and tail lights, and we can see the side profile. So as I stated before in the first video, when the Solterra was first teased, we can clearly see that this is just going to be a rebadged Toyota BZ4X. This is going to be the same situation as the GT86 and the BRZ, as Subaru and Toyota are starting to share more and more vehicles across both of the brands. No more knowledge than that is known. Still expecting 250 to the 300 mile range per charge on this car. No talk of pricing yet, but it is probably going to be priced higher than the base of a Forester or Outback, just due to the technology and the new chassis. Again, probably going to be released end of next year, so hopefully we'll have more information on it soon. So Subaru Canada screwed up and released the Forester Wilderness pictures 24 hours early. Subaru of America has put up this video showing a teaser, which we already know it was the Forester, but we'll play that as we talk about this. But yeah, they released it early. It's supposed to debut September the 2nd. Here we are, September the 1st, and we have our pictures already of this new Forester model. So last to be added to the Wilderness family will be the Wilderness Crosstrek. No speculation yet on when it's coming, likely the beginning of next year before we see that car. So we do know that there is no turbocharged 2.4 in the Wilderness Forester. It will still be using an FB25D. See the Forester Wilderness here in the same blue as the Outback Wilderness did in its press release pictures. We see the black wheels, we see the black overlay on the hood, we see the different front and rear bumpers, we see the larger side plastic to protect from scratches and off-roading. We do know the CVT is revised. It's going to be the same CVT that the Outback got, with the stronger clamping load, the lower gear ratio for off-roading. It's also going to have the increased ride height, the Yokohama Geolandar tires, and will be getting a drop in its MPGs. 25 city, 28 highway, combined of 26, where the normal Forester has a 26-33 combined of 29. So due to the fact that we have a higher ride height, larger wheels and tires, and a difference in gear ratio, that Subaru Forester Wilderness will not be the greatest on gas. Alright guys, and that'll do it for this episode of Subaru News. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.